It's day 4 of the Sacred Goddess Retreat, and we're at the foot of the mountain waiting on the bus to take us to the hot sulfur springs in the volcano of St. Lucia. I can't wait. This was one of the things on my bucket list of things to do, so I'm so grateful that I get to experience life and experience St. Lucia, the beautiful island of St. Lucia, in this way. If you're new here, hi! I'm Lucia, and I am on a wellness and healing journey which has taken me to the beautiful island of St. Lucia for the Sacred Goddess Retreat. My intention is just to share my journey and experience with you, whatever I learn as it relates to wellness, healing, or anything, any life nugget or inspiration that I have. I will share it here, and hopefully you will find value in some way or another. And if you do find value, remember to leave a comment and let me know, so I know that whatever I'm sharing is impacting or it's reaching you in some way or the other. So I will continue to share. As we were on our way to the Sulphur Springs, our driver shared with us a bit of history about St. Lucia. So during the colonial wars, St. Lucia changed hands between the British and the French 14 times. This was in a 100-year time period. Eventually, Britain and France came to an agreement that Britain would keep St. Lucia and France would keep Martinique. So we were passing, and there are 2 indigenous snakes in St. Lucia. One is friendly, so they say. It's called the bull.
Protected from the forest.
Look at it.
Protected animal from the law is not venomous.
Okay.
Animal, you must have a license to have a protected animal.
Okay.
So you can take it, put it on, not the head.
It's alive, it must be moving because it's alive, it's not dying.
So can I wait?
That's a time.
Now, don't hold it too tight, Jess. Don't hold it too tight. Don't hold it too tight. Right.
Not so. Okay, right. Hold it there.
Just relax.
Oh my gosh. I'm dead.
Okay, so you can
Yeah.
take it.
You're so brave.
Take a.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
I just want to touch his tail.
Nobody.
Behind me in the background is a fishing village in St. Lucia. Can you guess where well, I told you already. This is the pitons.
You see the steam
Oh, the steam! The volcano is there. If you can see the steam in the center right there, right here. That's actually where we're going. They actually have hikes to the top of the piton. So if you're a hiker, you can add hiking to the top of the piton as one of your bucket list of things to do. Yay, look at me. I'm touching the pitons. So we are currently in the volcano, in the crater of the volcano. Yeah, believe it or not. So they call this the drive-through section of the volcano. Alright, so we are at the Sulphur Springs, and this and this is the hottest one, so I'm going in the hottest one.
like I was lost.
This is healing sulfur clay. You should be here. I'm sorry you're not.
Fears tried to pull me down, but I picked up the pieces, turned it all around. I learned to heal the wounds, learned to see my...
So now I'm using the sulfur clay as a mask on my face. It has healing properties. So I'm now just waiting on everything to dry, and then I'll go into the hot spring. I'm having the time of my life.
I've been working on me, I've been loving on me.
I think a symbol of greatness more than Ashanti.
I don't mind the help, but me rather do the work. Step by step, me arise from the dirt.
Where are you right now, darling?
St. Lucia.
And how's your trip so far?
Absolutely amazing.
So in St. Lucia, we say let her inspire you, meaning that St. Lucia being the only island in the Caribbean named after a woman. So how have you been inspired by St. Lucia so far?
Oh my God. It's just been amazing, you know. I'm just being inspired by the people I'm meeting on this retreat, and also by nature itself, the mountains, and yeah, I'm just inspired to be restored.
Yes! Well, thank you for visiting. We can't wait to see you again.
I'll be back. I will be back.
Yes, tell the mountains you'll be back.
I will be back.
That's right. Bienvenue, bienvenue ici. Nous comptons ou là. Nous comptons ou là.
After Sulphur Springs and the beach, we went back to the mountains where we had our lunch. It was bouillon. I still can't get the pronunciation correct, but it was an all-in-one soup pot. It had sea moss, coconut milk, turmeric, okra, lemongrass, carrots, dumpling made from spelt, dashi, and other stuff. We also had carrot, ginger, and lemon juice. After lunch, we had a herbal lesson and yoni steam session where we learned different herbs that were good for womb health, thanks to Empress Crystal. And for dinner, we had callaloo couscous and coconut cake for dessert. If you liked this video or found value, please do leave a comment. Then watch another video on my channel. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate you. Thanks for being a part of my community. Blessed love.